Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix printing error in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to fix printing error in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, type Windows key plus R key type. Windows key plus R key type. Other way, click on start and type here run. Click on Windows system. Click on run. Type here spool S double SPOOL. After click on OK. After click on drivers and type here print config.dll. Click on enter and here right click, click on copy. Now back. After right click, click on paste. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix print error in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video workful or not. Thank you for watching.